Children, in this video we are going to learn about frame of reference. This is the continuation of the previous video. So what is frame of reference? It is a coordinate system to locate the position of an object. In our physics book we are using Cartesian coordinate with XYZ axis as the frame of reference. Okay, we will take in Cartesian coordinate in our physics book as the reference frame. Children, so if I ask you a question, where is the fan in your room? Okay, what will you say? Fan எங்க இருக்குன்னு கேட்ட என்னமா சொல்லுவீங்க? Ceilingல இருக்கு அப்படினு சொல்லுவீங்களா? Blunt-ஆ அப்படி சொல்ல முடியுமா? You know that physics is the science of accurate measurement. You have to exactly spot out where the fan is, right? On the ceiling where the fan is. To give out the exact position, we will use this Cartesian coordinate. You try to understand this, children. You can see 3x, y and z axis. These three axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. Now look at the corner of your room, children. You can look at the corner of your room. Can you see length of the room? You can take it as x-axis. Breadth of the room you can take it as the y-axis, and height of the room you can take it as the z-axis, right? Now you can imagine x, y and z-axis looking at the corner of your room. How is x-axis and y-axis and z-axis, children? You can see that all the three are x and y-axis are perpendicular to each other, y and z-axis are perpendicular to each other, z and x-axis also perpendicular to each other. I mean, these two axes are perpendicular to each other and these two axes are perpendicular to each other, whereas the x-z axis is also perpendicular to each other. This is perpendicular, these two axes are perpendicular, these two axes are perpendicular, right? In the room you can observe this. Now I want you to locate the point P here, right? How will you locate? For that, from this origin O, you move along the x-axis to certain unit. Then you have to move along the y coordinate, and then you will move along the z coordinate so that you will reach the point P here. Right, children? You can note down that this y coordinate is parallel to y-axis, right? This x coordinate is parallel to x-axis, and this z coordinate, is parallel to the z-axis, right? To understand this furthermore, I am trying to use this, children. Imagine this to be your room. Okay, this is your room, right? I told you to look at the corner, right? This is the corner of your room. Take this to be the x-axis, and this is the y-axis, and the height of the room is the z-axis. Actually, I want you to fix a lamp here on the ceiling. I want you to fix, this is the ceiling, okay? On the ceiling, I want you to fix a lamp here. So we will see what are the measurements to be considered here, right? From the corner, you move along the x-axis. Let me move now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 units I have moved here. Okay. Now my aim is moving to the bottom of the pole, right? So I will move here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have reached this point. So 5 along x-axis and 12 unit along y coordinate I have moved. Now still I am on the floor, right? 5, 12 if I use, I am still on the floor. I have to reach this height. For that I have to go along z-axis. Right, now I will go along z-axis height wise. Let me travel, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I go 6 unit along the z-axis, I come to this point. So I can fix the lamp here at this point P. So how will at which point I have fixed my lamp, children? 5, 12, 6. Now I have reached this point P. I can fix the lamp here, right, children? The same example. So to fix the lamp on the ceiling, what are the units I have used? 5, 12, 6, right? So that I reached the spot, I mean ceiling on my room, and I am going to fix the lamp here. Understood, children, how to locate the position? I hope you understood, right? We will see about the coordinate, right-handed coordinate system and left-handed coordinate system in the next video. Thank you, children.